Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix camera not focusing on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search camera app. After search camera app, click on storage and click on force stop. After force stop camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this 4-dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on reset settings and click on reset camera settings. After reset camera setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.